हम में से सभी लोगों को दिन में बहुत ही सारा काम करना होता है। टाइम कम है लेकिन एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। सभी को सुबह जल्दी उठना है, एक्सरसाइज करना है, जॉग करना है, कुछ ना कुछ रीड करना है, अपने फ्रेंड से मिलना है या अपने फैमिली के साथ ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करना है। बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि दिन है सिर्फ 24 घंटे का एंड उसमें ज़्यादा समय हमारा खाने में और नींद लेने में जाता है। तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यह है कि अपने आपके टाइम को इफेक्टिवली कैसे मैनेज करें। तो जहां पर लोगों को ये लगता है कि दिन में जो एक्टिविटीज़ हम कर रहे हैं उसमें और ऐड करने से प्रोडक्टिविटी मेरी बढ़ेगी, एक्चुअल मानना ये है कि अगर आप दिन में से कुछ चीज़ों को निकाल दोगे, कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ को अपने डेली शेड्यूल में से निकाल दोगे, दैट इज़ हाउ यू विल स्टार्ट बीइंग प्रोडक्टिव। अगर आप हाईली सक्सेसफुल इंडिविजुअल्स को भी देखोगे एंड उनके डेली शेड्यूल को देखोगे, चाहे वो कोई भी इंडस्ट्री से हो, चाहे कोई भी वर्कफोर्स से हो, अगर आप उनके पूरे शेड्यूल को नोटिस करोगे तो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो वो अपने डेली लाइफस्टाइल में से, डेली रूटीन में से निकाल देते हैं, जिसके वजह से दे हैव अ हाईली इफेक्टिव time routine. So in this video we'll discuss about 7 things that we have to remove from our lives to have a highly productive life. There's a beautiful quote by Winston Churchill. He says, however beautiful the strategy, you should occasionally look at the results. प्रोडक्टिविटी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि अपने दिन में आप कितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हो, कितना आपका कैलेंडर जैम पैक्ड है या कितनी सारी आपकी एक्टिविटीज़ आपके कैलेंडर में स्केड्यूल्ड है। फैंसी एप्स यूज़ करने से आपका प्रोडक्टिविटी डिटरमाइन नहीं होता है, आपका एक्चुअल प्रोडक्टिविटी डिटरमाइन होता है कि आप एक दिन में कितने रिजल्ट्स ला रहे हो, हाउ मच रिजल्ट्स यू आर ब्रिंगिंग on the table. If you're not increasing your results in the things that matter, you're not increasing your productivity. You're just doing more busy work more efficiently. Ultimately, the most efficient measure of productivity is how much you create and how much you ship. Highly productive people deliver their work to the world. They have the courage to make things happen and वो अपने डर के खिलाफ काम करते हैं. While it's important to focus on the process, don't overlook the results. काम इस तरह से करो कि आपके काम का जो रिजल्ट है वो आपके गोल की तरफ हो. So हमेशा काम के अलावा अपने रिजल्ट्स पे भी फोकस करो. कभी कभी हम काम में इतना ज़्यादा घुस जाते हैं, इतना ज़्यादा फोकस्ड हो जाते हैं कि वी स्टॉप केयरिंग अबाउट द रिजल्ट्स, वी स्टॉप अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट इज द आउटपुट दैट वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, समटाइम्स occasionally it's also important to look at the results that we are bringing onto the table. The second is checking devices first thing in the morning. 88% of people check their phones within the first hour of their day and 55% of people check their email before they even go to work. So consuming useless information first thing in the morning, checking out your social media, ये चेक करना कि notifications कितने आए हैं, likes कितने आए हैं, likes कितने नहीं आए हैं, किसने story देखी है, कितने emails आए हैं, all these are absolutely useless tasks that we do early in the morning, the first thing when we wake up. So ये चीज़ ही hamper करती है हमारे पूरे दिन को और it puts you in a state of reaction. Now you're flooded with stressors and urgent tasks before you even have a chance to work on your own goals. The problem that this useless activity will have in the morning is आपके ऊपर एक undue pressure आ जाएगा. You'll have the need to respond. The disadvantage of this activity is that checking out your notifications, checking out social media early in the morning takes you onto a path of pressure. आपके ऊपर एक responsibility आ जाएगी, एक pressure आ जाएगा to check your social media, to see who has liked or not, comments में reply करना. So that will be an undue pressure and because of this, throughout the day, you will not be present in the moment. Instead, highly productive people take steps toward their goals before they let the demands of the day interfere. They focus their peak mental, emotional and physical energy of the morning on their highest priorities and they don't check their Instagram or watch the news early in the morning. Instead, you should leave your phone on the airplane mode when you are sleeping and set it on a do not disturb mode once you get up in the morning so that आपके उठने के बाद 1 घंटे तक आपके फोन से एक भी notification ना आए. The third one is allowing distractions during the work. Whether it's emails, messages or calls, we switch tasks or get interrupted every 3 minutes and 5 seconds. We all should understand that we are terrible at multitasking. एक टाइम पे 2 से ज़्यादा काम करने हमें नहीं पॉसिबल हो पाता है बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स एंड वी आर नॉट ट्रेन्ड टू डू मल्टीटास्क्स. सो अगर आपको SMS आ रहा है या आपको WhatsApp आ रहा है एंड आप अपना काम छोड़ के वो पढ़ने जा रहे हो या SMS या WhatsApp पढ़ते वक्त आपको दूसरा कोई काम आ रहा है वो करने जा रहे हो. So in short, what I mean to say is we are not good at multitasking and we should avoid doing that. Also, if your workplace is clutter or disorganized, it can negatively affect your stress and emotions. In fact, just seeing clutter hurts your mental performance and also focus. Highly productive people bulletproof themselves from distractions and constant notifications so that they can focus on the task at hand. They also don't work in a sloppy or cluttered environment, and they keep things clean, organized, and minimalist. Try putting your phone on airplane mode or turn off the email notifications while you're working. Also, सारे tabs को close कर दो, सारे browsers को close कर दो और applications को close कर दो when you don't need them. Plus, organize your workplace so that there's less clutter. Also, don't listen to podcasts or music, and even if you want to listen to music, always keep it on the same song so that you don't waste time changing the songs. Fourth one, working until exhaustion. ऐसे काफी बार मौका आएगा जहां पे आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट या डेडलाइन कंप्लीट करने के लिए आपको एक्स्ट्रा आवर्स बैठना पड़ेगा, लॉन्ग टाइम तक बैठना पड़ेगा. बट माइंड यू, दिस इज नॉट अ रेसिपी फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म सक्सेस. इफ यू कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्क until you're exhausted, those last few hours of work probably won't be good anyway. एक चीज का हमेशा ध्यान रखिए, हमारा मेंटल परफॉर्मेंस पीक पे सिर्फ 3 घंटे के लिए रहता है. सो इफ यू आर स्ट्रेचिंग योरसेल्व्स ऑन अ डेली बेसिस एंड अगर आप देख रहे हैं कि आप रोज एक्स्ट्रा काम कर रहे हो, रोज लेट नाइट तक काम कर रहे हो, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज नॉट something that you should be very happy about, but actually you should introspect कि गलती कहाँ पर हुई है. As I told you, this is not a recipe for success. You should be introspecting कि कुछ ऐसे activities हैं which are actually consuming your time, consuming a lot of your energy, and that's why you have to stay awake late night. Whenever you feel that your energy is dipping, it's good to take breaks. हमें लगता है कि हमने अगर ब्रेक लिया है, that is something very unproductive and something we should not be doing. But understand that हमारा mental ability का एक performance का time होता है, and if you feel that your performance or your energy is down, you should actually take breaks to rejuvenate yourself. Fifth one, working without priorities. There's a very important quote which states, what is important is seldom urgent and what is urgent is seldom important. Highly productive people focus all their energy on the most important tasks and not the urgent tasks. And this allows them to get the most results from each day. Before you start working, try ranking your tasks in order of importance so that you can dedicate your best hours of each day to what will get you the most results. And if you don't know your priorities, just ask. हम एक ही समय में सारे काम नहीं कर सकते हैं और हर एक काम के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट होती है. सो ऑलवेज थिंक व्हाट्स ऑन योर प्लेट, उसे जज कीजिए, अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए एंड टेक आउट द टास्क्स व्हिच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट व्हाट्स ऑन योर प्लेट, व्हाट आर द 1 to 3 biggest priorities and what can wait. The sixth one is finding time to do things. Here's a thing that I found is extremely important for all of us to understand. If you want something done, give it to a busy person. अगर आप कोई टास्क किसी फ्री इंसान को जिसके पास कोई भी काम नहीं है, उसे अगर वो टास्क दोगे, he'll find all the excuses to not do it. He'll try to struggle, he'll try to procrastinate, but अगर वही काम आप किसी busy इंसान को दोगे, he'll make it happen. Highly productive people don't find the time to do the thing they want, they make time. For example, regular exercise or spending time with their children, they'll set it in their schedule and make sure it gets done. They know how to organize और किस तरह से उन्हें अपना time manage करना है, so सारे उनके priorities work और life के accomplish हो जाएं. So time ढूंढो मत, अगर वो चीज़ आपको करनी है and अगर वो चीज़ आपके लिए important है तो उसे अपने schedule में डालिए और कुछ भी करके उस task को accomplish कीजिए because that is an important task for you. The seventh one is failing to set boundaries. So bragging about 12-hour days isn't a sign of productivity. This is not something that we should be proud about. कि आज मैंने 12 घंटे काम किए, आज मैंने 13 घंटे काम किए. This is not something which is called as productivity. Instead, highly productive people set boundaries on their time and don't let lesser things take away from what's most important for them. And highly productive people are also very protective of their workflow. For example, if they know their mornings are best for creative work, they'll schedule their phone calls for the afternoon they understand what helps them achieve their best work and what holds them back. Because maybe the request that you have got or the invitation that you have got is not that important for you, and that's okay. You need to start saying no, because if that helps you save your time and उससे अगर आपकी productivity बढ़ती हो या आपके results बढ़ते हो, ज़्यादा importance आता हो, so it's okay to say no. So these are the 7 habits that we need to stop doing right away. And if we are focusing on all these things, if we remove the clutter from our life, and if we start understanding that productivity is not about working long or for working for more hours or doing a lot of things throughout the day, ये productivity का definition नहीं है. Instead, if you look at highly productive people, what they do is they actually take some things out of their daily schedule. कुछ unimportant tasks को वो लोग निकाल देते हैं and they understand and they have their judgment as to what is important for them and they get it done as soon as possible. So if you have liked this video and if you feel that इनमें से कुछ points आप भी inculcate करना चाहोगे और you have been feeling that you have to be productive more and get more things done out of your daily schedule, so please consider liking this video, because if you like it and if I see that there are a lot of viewers, I'll start making these videos more often. So please do consider liking, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be productive.